I just got a couple of questions regarding policy. Is policy just a policy if it supersedes the U.S. Constitution?
Yeah, he won't be able to answer.
I won't be able to answer that, so I gave him.
I'm trying to find that policy that supersedes our U.S. Constitution,
I'm not
and then
sure what she was referring to.
and then the release form that allows fish to be photographed. GT went hot at the main library location in Montgomery, Alabama. Please make sure to like, share, subscribe to include smashing that notification bell right quick, fast, and in a hurry. Part 1 of this story can be found in the comment section of this story. The J-Town Press and GT visited the Governor's Square branch library, where we were informed that policy supersedes the U.S. Constitution. I was just curious because you stated that the policy here supersedes the U.S. Constitution, and that.
Well, for our protection, being employees.
It does.
Yes, that's all I was referring to.
And the fish policy to sign consent to be photographed. I spoke with this branch location's manager to try and attempt to locate such policies. However, the policies could not be found on the website or at the main location. The branch manager stated that these policies do not exist. So why would one location attempt to enforce such a policy that doesn't exist? I attempted to speak with the director, however, she was not available for comment at the time. Let's check out this location and attempt to get some answers about such policies. They have fish. Circulation. It's the library for.
Hi, did you get some help?
Oh no, sir.
You're good?
Yeah. Is the director here?
Director Holmes. She's upstairs.
Is she available?
She just got here. Do you need me to call her?
Yes, please.
Well, I'm the manager of the location. Do you need me to help with anything?
I prefer to just speak straight with the director.
Do you know? May I give her your name?
Oh, my name's Russ.
Russ. She
Yes.
knows who you are?
Probably not.
And you're with?
GT News Now.
GT News.
Yes, GT News Now.
GT News Now. Hold on.
Thank you.
I'm going to go upstairs.
No worries, no worries. I'll just be down here.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Oh, just looking for a director or somebody.
What is it you need, sir?
I just have some questions, that's all.
Questions
Yes, ma'am.
about?
Somebody's behind you. I can't hear you, I'm so sorry. Is Miss Holmes in, or Mr. Holmes, or?
Miss Holmes.
Yeah, Miss Holmes, is she in?
I think so. I'll check with the secretary.
Okay.
Down
Right here in the right on the.
So what is it you need, sir?
I just got some questions to ask about policy.
Policies?
Yeah.
About?
About the library system.
They're on our website.
I'm sorry?
They're on our website.
All the policy?
Is there one particular you're asking?
I'm sorry?
Is there a particular policy you're asking about?
Yeah, there's two policies I just have some questions about, that's all. Dara, then the other lady, she would not provide me her name, but she said that the library policy supersedes the U.S. Constitution. She made that statement.
Oh, she made that statement?
She made that statement that the policy supersedes the Constitution based upon her feelings.
You have to talk with the
Yeah.
Yeah, based upon her feelings and and her safety.
Yeah, just that email on there, email
Okay.
Ms. Holmes, and then she can set up an appointment with you. But that'll be your best person to discuss that with. She's the director.
Okay.
And then once you make the appointment with her,
She'll reach out to
she'll
you.
reach out to you and she'll set that up.
Oh, I guess he's the manager
He's the branch manager.
of this location. I guess I could ask you.
No, you'll have to talk
The
with the
best,
director.
yeah,
Miss Holmes.
the best person will be to talk with Mrs. Holmes.
No, I was going to ask if the policy, if y'all's policy, just the policy, if it supersedes the U.S. Constitution.
Yeah, he won't be able to
I won't
answer
be able
that.
to answer that, so I gave you Mrs. Holmes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's going to be your best
And you're
person
going to have to
to
speak to her. She
Okay.
handles the whole system.
And then is there a film release form for fish to sign?
You still need to talk with the
talk to Mrs.
Any
Holmes.
questions you have to direct
Okay.
to
She
the
did them all.
Dara was the one that told me that I need to have the fish in the fish tank sign a consent form to be on camera.
Oh, just get that information. Get that information right there.
She can give me that information?
Yes.
Okay,
She'll give
alrighty,
you
cool beans.
everything you need.
Alrighty,
Nice
awesome.
meeting you.
Oh, y'all as well. Thank y'all so much.
You too. Take care.
You too. Thank you.
So call her, Director Holmes,
Okay.
and you can speak with her.
Okay.
So, but please don't ask the staff these questions.
Oh, okay.
Okay. She speaks for the system, not us.
Okay.
Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Good, sir. How are you? My name's Russ. I was curious if I could ask y'all a question really quick about library policy. Does the library policy supersede the U.S. Constitution?
So, sir, you can look that up on our website. All our policies are online and freely available for the public.
Okay. I'm trying to find that policy. That's all. Do you think you can give me a copy of that policy?
I like that. If you want to use one of our computers, you can. You can find it on our website. I can even tell you. Let me look it up first. So our website is called mccplgov.lib.al.us.
How much would it cost to print off a copy of that policy?
So all our prints are 20 cents per page for black and white, and all color prints are 50 cents per page.
Okay, I'm looking for a specific policy, though.
Like I said, so if you want to help with that, I can guide you to one of our computers, and you use our website to look it up.
I can just use my phone to look it up.
Yes, sir. You can do that.
I couldn't find it, though. That's the thing. I couldn't find it on the website.
What are you looking for?
He's looking for a
I'm
copy
looking-
of our policies.
Which ones?
The one that is the policy that grants the library systems to supersede the U.S. Constitution. I was told that it does by a different branch. But I was just curious because you stated that the policy here supersedes the U.S. Constitution, and that
Well, for our protection, being employees.
it does.
Yes, that's all I'm referring to.
Oh. Under this, I'm trying to find that policy. I want like a copy of it.
Can you explain to me what exactly you're talking about?
I visited another branch yesterday, and there was a lady. She was very disrespectful. Would not provide me her name, and she said that the policies of the Montgomery, the Montgomery Library systems is. She said to come over here to to find that policy. And she said that the policy supersedes the U.S. Constitution. So, U.S. Constitution according to her feelings and safety. I'm trying to find that policy.
I don't know why she would comment on something like that.
Yeah, I have it all on video. It looks really bad. And then Dara, that's over there as well. I'm trying to also find the release form for filming and taking pictures of the fish in the fish tank because she said that the fish would need to sign a release form. I'm not playing with you.
How would one fish consent to something?
I don't know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. She sent me over here. And I visited that one yesterday, so I'm trying to find that policy that supersedes our U.S. Constitution,
I'm not
and then
sure what she was referring to.
and then the release form that allows fish to be photographed.
There is no form, as far as I know, about fish being.
That's what she said. She said something about she doesn't know how the fish feel, and I would need to.
Dara that said this to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you spoke to someone else besides her?
I spoke to Darren. I spoke to another older lady, which she was pretty nice, and she said she's going to sue me.
Right, they're going to do something. Okay.
You're not going to sue me, are you?
Probably.
You are?
I don't wish to be filmed either.
Oh, we
Yeah.
go public now.
Yeah.
Where are you going to file the suit at? That she's going to bring suit against me.
I'm not sure what all that was about.
A legal matter is what she had said.
But
and
what I'd like for you to do is, if you've got the director's phone number.
yeah. I'm gonna
you
reach
should call
out to
her
her.
and tell her all this.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna reach out to her. I'm
Because
just
this is
trying
something
to.
She needs to know.
Yeah, I just figured the
If
three
that's
helpful
being-
gentlemen here
if
could.
that's being
yeah.
sent to customers.
Yeah, no. I mean, I just thought the three helpful gentlemen here could give me a copy of that release form for the fish,
Sure.
and also a copy of the policy that supersedes our U.S.
We
Constitution.
don't have forms like that. I don't really know what she's talking about.
Oh yeah, because I was over. I forgot which. Y'all got a bunch of locations.
Yeah.
It's the one Dara works at.
Yeah.
And she had said that something about the fish, how they feel.
Like I said, I'm not sure.
I don't know.
what
It really bogged my mind. And then the other
I'm not
lady,
sure what any of that's about, sir. I really don't. But
something
please-
Julie Ann.
Okay.
Jeannie Ann something Ann. She was the one that said she's going to bring suit against me. I have no reason. I'm pressed, so I'm trying to figure stuff out.
This is something you need to bring up with the director, because we're staff at this location. We're not familiar with other locations in the state.
Well, she sent me over here to get copies of those policies.
Well, like I said,
that's what they're trying to help me, and they're great. They're really great.
Right.
They're trying to help me.
I understand. But I think if you'd have a more fruitful experience if you spoke to her and relayed to her what you were told to do.
Okay.
Because I think that would help you more.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think the county library system is going to plan to sue a journalist for working on a story in the public space, but she said she was, so yeah, thank you so much. Y'all been really helpful. Thank y'all so much. I really need to track down these two policies. I really do.
All of our policies are on our website.
Yeah, I looked on there. I couldn't find the policy that supersedes the U.S. Constitution, though. She said it, based on her feelings and safety, that y'all's library policy can supersede the U.S. Constitution. I'm sure y'all are familiar with what the U.S. Constitution is. I'm not going to insult y'all's intelligence. And then something about a release form for filming that the fish need to sign, because she wouldn't let me photograph the fish in the fish tank over there. So I know. It's which I did anyways, but, it's like I was trying to find that release form. So thank y'all so much. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. You too, sir. Thank you.
I'm sorry, sir. You don't keep talking. I'm sorry, sir. You have to talk to her. You have to talk to her.
I haven't said anything.
I know, but I didn't want them to feel uncomfortable.
What's uncomfortable?
Well, those questions that you asked, we can't answer.
No, y'all should be able to print me off a policy, though. Just like
the policy.
Or I'll pay for the page or whatever.
We can print you off the policies, like how to get a library card.
How much would it cost to print off all your policies right now that y'all have?
Maybe a couple of bucks.
Can I go ahead and get those?
Go back upstairs and they'll print out whatever policy is online for you.
Okay, because I can't
the
find
policies that you've asked about.
Yeah. Okay.
They don't exist, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
awesome. Thank you so much. That's all I needed.
But you need to tell the director what you were told.
Well,
because she needs to address that.
Yeah, most definitely. Not only what I was told, but it was captured on camera.
Understand.
Yeah, it was captured. So.
And you have a right to film and ask questions.
Yeah, so. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for
clarifying. Please call her.
Oh yeah, I am. Thank you for clarifying that those policies don't exist. I appreciate it. Thank you. Y'all been very nice. Thank y'all so much, ma'am. Thank y'all. As the main library branch may believe that such policies do not exist, then all locations should be on the same sheet of music. Until next time, GT is going cold.